Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for marketing exam only way. Begin by mapping the syllabus, highlighting core concepts, and scheduling study blocks with focused goals. Collect past exams, flashcards, and key case studies for retrieval practice. Prioritize active recall and spaced repetition over passive reading to build lasting memory. Stay consistent with short daily sessions and weekly reviews to track progress and reduce last-minute cramming confidently. Create a clear weekly plan that assigns topics to each study block and includes short breaks. Use active recall with flashcards and practice past exam questions under timed conditions. Teach concepts aloud to an imaginary audience to test understanding and identify weak areas. End each week with a summary sheet of core models and metrics to review before the exam. Rotate review topics to use spaced repetition and keep motivation high. Switch between study methods to strengthen recall and application skills. Use flashcards for definitions and metrics, summarize chapters with concept maps, and practice full-length exams for pacing. Apply theories to real brand cases to see strategy in action and note outcomes you would change. Schedule quick daily quizzes and review mistakes immediately to prevent repeating errors. Balance study with short breaks and simple rewards to maintain focus. Stay positive and celebrate small wins.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.